はい、じゃあ今回もですね、私が受けた授業の解説というか振り返りをしたいと思います。今日受けたこの先生は、私がオンラインネイティブキャンプを始めた時からいらっしゃる先生ですね。ですので、48回、この先生のクラス受けてます。
Still the same as usual. How about you?
Yeah, same here. Nothing special, but I survive, right? So,
Me
I
too.
survive. 私は生き残っている。
I want to ask you, how do you survive? Please tell me.
Just stay alive.
Just stay alive.
How do you stay alive? Please tell me. Please give me some tips.
Eat on time. Okay, eat
時
on
間
time.
通りに
And
食べ
we
て。
know that stress is really part of our everyday life,
Yeah.
right?
How do
We
you?
cannot avoid stress. Try to control it.
Okay. How do you, avoid stress? I wanna know.
I mean, if that is really like, let's say, financial problem. So
Yeah,
before
let's
I
say financial
really
problem.
take it
いや、例え
seriously
ば、
until I
経
became
済的な問
stressed.
題
But now, if I really don't have money to support the needs of my family, and the necessary thing is an emergency,
Yeah.
I just like borrow from someone
うん
and
お金を借りる、バーロー、お金を
お
借りるって言います
borrow
ね。
from someone,
Okay.
yes, and then work hard so that I can pay for it.
お金を借りたら一生懸命働かなきゃいけないっていうサイクルを自分で作り出すってことですかね。
Like in an inevitable situation. You
Yes,
have to borrow
it's
money from other people, and then so that you have to make effort. You have to work
そうお金
harder.
を返すた
yes,
めにメイ
yes,
クアイフ
and
を
then
努力
work
する。
harder so that I can pay for it. And also, even though you have a hard time financially, don't forget to breathe fresh air from the outside
まあ
world.
どんな
Like
に忙しくて
even
も
though
しっ
you
かり
don't have
休憩を
money,
取れ、テイクアブ
you
レー
know,
ス。
don't forget your social life.
Okay.
Because once you forget your social life, you tend to work harder. The
Yeah.
ending is that you became stressed.
Yeah, definitely. So that's what I wanted to say, right?
それが私の言いたかったことですね。
Make you sad, right? I think. That's
Yeah,
why.
because
Yeah.
imagine you are earning a lot. Yeah, you are earning a lot, but the result is you are sick.
Yeah.
お金をたくさん稼いでも結果として病気になったら元も子もないって言ってますね。
You cannot feel fun, right? So that's why while working, we need to feel fun, right?
いや、そうで
We
すよ
should
ね。
never forget
楽
that
し
we
むた
also
めに
have
お金を
friends.
稼ぐですもんね。
We go out, eat food that you want to eat, drink the drinks that you wanted to drink.
Yeah, I totally agree. And then, like, as you know, I'm a English learner. I'm studying English, right? Sometimes I find it hard time to study English, right?
時々ね、勉強が厳しくなりますよね。
But
hard
I find
time。
In order to enjoy studying English,
もう英語を勉強するために
wanna
私は
be I wanna be YouTuber.
いや、YouTuber になり
You
たい。
want to be a YouTuber.
Yeah, actually,
Okay.
as you know, Japanese people cannot speak English fluently, right?
日本人はあまりその上手に英語喋れません。
English, but they don't know how to study English. They don't know how to speak English. Maybe I wanna be the one who contribute.
もし私がコントリビュートできたら、貢献できたらいいなと思って YouTube を始めたいですって言ってますね。
That's why I wanna ask you something, okay? Is it
What is
okay?
it?
Is it okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead. さあどうぞ。
So can I record this class?
You will record this class,
It's okay?
but we only have 9 minutes.
It's okay, it's enough, right? Because typically video on YouTube is shorter than usual, right? So
Like how many minutes?
8 minutes or 7 minutes or less than 10 minutes, right? That's why
Okay.
8 minutes is a little,
まあそうですね、10分以内に大体動画を収めますんで、
I took
It's enough 十分だって言ってますね。
You are so
What are we
funny.
going? Wait, before you will record, what are we going to talk about?
さあどのトピックスがいいのって聞いてますね。Whatever you want 何でもいいよ。
Please give me some tips to study English.
勉強に対しての
Okay.
チップス、
Alright.
ヒントをください。
Yeah, from teacher, right? So, Jen, give us some tips to study English.
さあ僕たちにヒントください。
Yeah,
To study
sure.
English 勉強の。
Okay. Or please give us some tips to study English for Japanese.
Alright, so we all know that many Japanese are really having a hard time
Yeah.
studying their second language,
そう、
which
たく
is
さんの
the
ジャパニー
English
ズピー
language.
ポーはなかな
So,
か勉強で
as for
厳し
my
いと。
experience, first, what you need
ジェン
to
グの
do
エクスペリエン
is
スからは
you need to do a lot of reading. so that you can learn a lot of vocabulary words.
Yeah.
Read English textbook, English stories. Also, if you can watch English movies, you do it as well because the vocabularies and then the slang words, you can learn it from there.
But
Yeah.
even though we can listen like English, from like
たとえ僕たちが英語を聞いたり、映画を見たりしても、でもその人とコンタクト、コミュニケートする人はわからないできますね。
I think the main reason behind that is that
その裏に隠れているリーズンは
confident to
自信がないんだって
So
こ
the
とです
first
か
thing that you need to Okay, you have to build your confidence by just talking and talking, regardless
話す
if
ことに
you
よって
make
自信をつけろ
mistakes or not.
ですか。
Yeah, they are scared. They are scared to
yeah,
talk because they
yeah.
are afraid of making mistakes,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Do you
Yeah,
agree?
yeah, right. That's why we struggle to study English, right? Because in front of you, I will be hesitate. I
あ
hesitate.
なたの目の前で私は躊躇する。
Right? You pressure me.
そう先生がプレッシャーをかける。
How to overcome this?
どんな風にそれを克服したらいいんだ。
I'm pressuring you right now.
Yeah, not only you, right? But also like other foreigner or
いや
pressures.
フォーリナー
Right?
の
That's why
前だ
we
と
hesitate
緊張
to
する
say
ってことですね。
something, even though we know some words, some grammar.
あといろんなグラマーとか
We can
そう
say
挨拶をしてても
something, right? In
躊躇
front
し
of
ちゃい
you.
ますよね。
Just think that you can. Because once the hesitation will come across their way, so
Come
you will
across 出くわしたら
you will find it hard to find the exact word you're going to say.
あ
That's why being confident first really matters.
まずは自信を持つことが最初だってことですね。
At first, not at first. At the beginning, when you study, when you contact the class at first, at that time you will be nervous, maybe.
I was very
先生が初め
nervous
て授業をした
listening.
時、ナーバスになりましたかって聞いて
shaking
ますね。
very much
Right?
before.
And because Japanese people can't speak English, right? But you don't
日
know how
本
to
人
speak
は英語
Japanese,
喋れない
right?
先生は日本語喋れ
That's
な
why
い
you
から
will
って
be
ことです
nervous.
ね。
How did you overcome?
どうやってオーバーカムしたんですか。どうやってクリアしてきたんです
Just
か。
keep on conducting lessons.
Just conducting the class。
After conducting lessons, after another lessons, I
授業を繰り
overcome
返
the
しやっ
fear
て自信をつ
of
けた。
speaking, and then I tend to become relaxed every time I speak in English to the other English learners. So after like conducting countless lessons, I realized that my confidence was already okay. And then I tried to practice it more as the day passes by. That's why this is me now.
Okay, subconsciously you can accumulate your so confidence.
無意識に
Yeah.
アキュムレ
By
ー
conducting
ト、
the
自信
class.
を蓄積していったんですね。
Exactly.
So that, we need to talk to foreigner in English without hesitating.
Right.
躊
Because
躇
if
せ
you
ず
will
に
hesitate,
話した方
if
がい
you
いっ
will
てことですか。
hesitate, you will really find it difficult to construct good sentence because in your mind there is fear. You are afraid of like, hi, what if this teacher will say, hi, you're
What if?
saying a wrong
何や
sentence.
ったら
This
もし
grammar
何や
is
ったら
wrong.
どうだろう
Well, we
ですか
all
ね。
commit mistakes.
Yeah, actually, to be honest, I don't hesitate to make a mistake.
僕はあんまりミステイクを間違いは
But
恐れないです
I
けど
enjoy
ね。
talking
結構間違えてますし
to you. That's why. Yeah, gradually, my English is a good, better.
そうとかなりですね、徐
And I
々
think
に
that's very
英語は
okay.
上達して
At
ます
least
と言
you
ってま
are
すね。
enjoying the conversation.
Yeah, I think so. But how do I enjoy? I'm not sure.
どうやってエンジョイしたらいいんですかって言って
You
ます。
can feel it. Smile.
Maybe which
I'm already smiling.
yeah,
あ、先生は笑顔くれますね。
yeah, which encourage me, right? I think.
まあそのスマイルが僕たちを
So I
勇気
think
づけている。
the learning environment as well, and also the person you're talking to plays a very big factor in
い
your
や、環境は大事ですよ
speaking
ね。
skill. Because if you are not comfortable talking with this person,
Yeah.
so you are afraid to speak. But if you're comfortable with the person, you can speak freely, anything that you want to say.
Yeah, maybe you have a good point. Actually, first, we need to look for someone who I want to talk to in English.
まず最初にすることは、話しやすい人を見つける、英語で話しやすい人を見つけることが大事だって言ってますね。
Communicate with this guy, right, in English.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe native can provide us, this kind of suitable person.
ネイティブキャンプ、僕たちそういう先生を与えてくれるって言
You
って
have
ま
a
すね。
lot of choices, remember?
Yeah, actually, I have a lot of choices, right? That's why, all the time, so I'm so debating, who who is better?
I'm so debating. 私いつも迷っている先生を選ぶときに
And
で
I
す
think
ね。
you can really choose whoever the teacher you want to talk to, because like as what I have mentioned a while ago, there are so many teachers.
Yeah.
そう、たくさんの先生がいて、い
That's
つも
why
迷って
native
ですね、
camp is
誰でも
like
ね、
a
いい先生いっぱいいますんで
so
ってことで
like
す
a
か。
good, right? Good like platform for me, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, tens of thousands of teacher, right? So
tens
give
of
me a chance,
thousands
right?
of たくさんのですね
Yeah,。I think so. And then yeah, actually, I have to choose like a specific like a teacher among of like a tens of thousands, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
you just every time you take a lesson, you just choose who's your bet.
yeah, right. All the time I'm so excited, right?
You do. You are always excited. What
Yeah.
makes you excited
Yeah,
to
because
study English?
yeah,
何
because
が
you know,
私
so
そんなに
you guys,
あの
so, like, you
エキサイト
know,
させるんですか
looking
です
good,
ね
right?。You
スタディ
guys.
ングリッシュで。
Yeah, and then some of them you yeah, some of them you can
Thanks
teach.
for the compliment.
Yeah, don't comment. Yeah,
コンプリメン
some of you
ト。
can
お
teach
世辞をあり
us,
がとう。
right, English.
褒めてくれてありがとうですか。
Two stones, what should I, two stone, one bird. What should I say?
Killing.
Like
With killing bird. Wait,
I forget.
I forget that
Yeah, you
English
forget?
person.
Like,
これことわざです
I
ね
can。
Like it's on the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, I can see like a beautiful girl. At the same time, I can study English, right?
Killing two birds with one stone.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Killing
Killing two
bir-
birds
killing
with
two
one
birds,
stone.
one stone.
Killing birds with one stone。
Killing birds,
Yes.
killing
一
two
度で二
birds
度美味しい
with
です
one
か
With
?Killing
one
two
stone.
birds
stone.
with one
Can't
stone。
give us this like, crucial,
一石二
saying,
鳥か。
right?
一石二鳥ですね。
Killing the two
Killing
birds,
killing two birds
killing two birds with
with
one
one
stone.
stone.
いや、一度で二度
Right.
美味しいじゃなくて、一石二鳥です
You
ね。
can enjoy. You can actually make friends at the same time. You can practice your English every time.
Oh,
Right.
three benefits.
Yeah.
Three benefits.
Actually, not only three. There are a lot. I think.
Oh,
What is your major goal when it
僕の
comes
あなた
to
のメ
like
ジャーゴールは
learning
何ですか
English?
で
Like
すかね。
5 years from now.
yeah,
5
my-
years。今から5年後
Using
の
the language.
メジャーゴールは何です
My
か
major goal.
Maybe you mentioned before, but I forgot.
Actually, I
先生忘れたって言っ
I
てますね。
wanna ask you out.
私はあなたを
Yeah,
デー
all the
ト
time I
誘いたい
said,
です
that's my
ね。
goal.
まあ、ジョーキング、オ
Yeah,
フ
so
コ
I
ース。
have to stop you to go to Vietnam, right?
先生、将来ベトナム行きますからね。
Remember your major goal because you haven't mentioned it before.
Yeah, all the time I said, right? Yeah, I wanna.
オーザターンいつもですね。
Yeah, I wanna ask you out all the time. You, all the time, I'm looking for a chance to ask you out.
I'm looking for いつも探している、チャンスを探している。
Well,
Yeah. Oh, you try to change the subject?
チェンジサークル、先生は話を変えようとしてい
if
る
you
ですか
wanted to ask me out, but I think that's impossible.
You know,
Because you
we
are
don't,
far
we
from
don't, we don't have enough time, right?
もう時間がない、イナフタイム、時間がない
Post a
です
video
ね。
on YouTube.
Thank you so much.
いや、こんな感じで今日は先生と話しましたけども、まあ、楽しくコミュニケートできたのかなと思うんですけども、少しフィラードワードはやっぱり多いなと思うことと、ただ楽しくやってたのでいいかなと思います。またもしこの動画が面白いと思った方は、チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いいたします。ありがとうございました。